my brother's gonna be rating my fidgets. First up, you have the Orbeez.
Okay. This is like a 7 because it feels weird on my hands.
Okay, yeah. Bread.
Do we eat this?
No, that's a squishy.
Oh. 7?
Okay, now my poppet. Something like bread, by the way.
Okay. What is it? 9 out of 10.
Okay, my wacky tracks.
7.
Okay, you can pick up it.
And this is another
My
poppet.
other poppet.
This is another poppet. This thing. Aha, this is like a 10 out of 10.
Oh wow, you like it?
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Why I could give it to you.
Okay. This?
That's that's not a fidget.
This.
That I just like to brush around in.
This?
That is not.
Okay then, take these out of the box.
I just use them
Wait,
for some
this?
reason. That's fun. No, you gotta take it out of the bag.
10. 2.
Oh.
Okay, now little poppet. It is 0 out of 10. There's no place for your hands.
Here, try my simple
No, I
dimple.
want to just try this first. Oh, this is like it's dripping.
Is that?
It's a 10 out of 10 though.
Oh, okay.
Simple imples.
Simple dimples.
I'm not saying pimples.
Oh my, they're not called that.
Okay, simple. 7.
Okay, now Fidget Cube. I mean, pad or something.
I want this, but 7 out of 10.
What is it?
No,
You,
I mean
you already
9 out
have
of 10.
this.
I mean 9 out of 10.
Oh. You get banana.
It's broken, but it's like 6.
Okay, that's the rest. Oh, marble mash.
Okay, 6.
Okay, I'm just not gonna do the rest. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
I literally showed you.
We can edit that out.